next recipe is Recovering Ramen by Mary Dunnewold. So let's get started. Cook time is a total of 10 to 15 minutes. And you need 1 packet of ramen noodles, a half cup of Spam, 2 to 3 stalks of green onion, and 1 egg. So the first step is to cook the ramen according to the packet instructions. So this one calls for 2 cups of water. So I'm just letting that boil over there. While that's boiling, I am going to cut the Spam. So here we go. Alrighty, so I just finished cubing the Spam. So now we are going to put them in the frying pan and cook them until they get nice and golden brown. Here we go. Alright, now I'm going to cut up the green onions. Now I'm going to follow the recipe, or the directions on the packets. Whew. Now we wait. Green onions. And there we go. We finished the recovery ramen.